Hello, class 9. So, let's continue the explanation of the poem The Legend of the Northland. The Northland region experiences severe cold condition. As I told you, it is a snowy area. If I talk about the line 1, they refers to the parents of the elders and them refers to the children or the younger generation. The elders of the Northland region tell a strange and the interesting story to the younger generation. The poet says that he doesn't think that the story is true, but if he tells the story to the reader, maybe the reader could learn a lesson from it. The story gives an important message. The story is about the Saint Peter when the Saint Peter used to live in the world and went around giving the religious lectures to the people just like all saints do. Then an incident happened. When Saint Peter was moving around the world giving the religious lectures to the people, he reached the door of a cottage where a small woman was making cakes. She was baking the cakes in the fireplace. As Saint Peter had not eaten anything the entire day, she was very hungry and was feeling weak. So he went to this woman who was baking cakes and he asked for one cake out of the many cakes that she had baked. The woman was selfish. She did not give cake for her from her store. Instead, she started making a very small cake for the Saint Peter. She did not want to share her things, but when she put the cake for baking, she looked at it and thought that this cake was too big to be given to someone. So that little woman thought that the cake was too big to be given away. So she started making the another small cake. When she looked at the cake, she again felt that it was as big as the previous one. Again, she was not ready to give the smaller cake to the Saint Peter. इन स्टैंसा में पोइट कह रहा है कि उस कंजूस वुमन को ऐसा लगता था हर बार कि जब भी वो सेंट के लिए केक बनाती थी कि ये केक तो बड़ा है, काफ़ी बड़ा है, इसको देने के लिए तो इससे छोटा भी मैं बना सकती हूँ. तो वो उससे छोटा बनाने की कोशिश करती थी. हर बार उसने ऐसे करा. अगेन शी वॉज नॉट रेडी टू गिव दिस स्मॉलर केक टू सेंट पीटर. द थर्ड टाइम शी टुक अ वेरी स्मॉल amount of dough and rolled it. The poet says that she rolled and rolled to lay emphasis on the fact that she rolled the dough and made it very thin like a wafer and baked it. But she was so greedy that she couldn't give the thin piece of the bread to the saint. फिर उसने एक बहुत छोटा सा टुकड़ा उसका लिया अपनी डो का, जो भी उसने एक बैटर बना रखा था केक बनाने के लिए, उसका बहुत छोटा सा एक टुकड़ा लिया और उसको बहुत पतला बेलना शुरू करा और उसको जितना पॉसिबल था उतना उसको पतला करने की कोशिश करी और ये सोच रही थी कि उसको वेफ़र की जगह पतला की तरह पतला करके बेक करके वो उसको दे देगी. लेकिन वो इतनी लालची थी कि उसको लग रहा था कि वो भी उसको ज़्यादा है, ये भी मुझे उसको नहीं देना चाहिए. The woman reasoned that when she ate the cakes, she felt that they were very small, but she had to give them to someone. She felt that they were too big to be given away. She put all the cakes on the shelf of kitchen and she did not give any cake to the Saint Peter. And finally, अपनी कंजूसी के रहते हुए उसने सोचा कि कितना भी मैं दूंगी, मैं अपना कोई भी केक सेंट पीटर को क्यों दूं. उसने सारे केक्स उठाए अपने और अपनी शेल्फ में सजा दिए. उसने कोई भी केक जो है वो सेंट पीटर को नहीं दिया. So that's it for now, students.